In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on your Telegram app. So first thing you need to do is to tap and open your Telegram app. And then from here, tap on the menu option here to expose settings. And now here, we have an option called settings. So tap on it. Now from here, if you scroll down, you can see the option called language. And you can see the current language is set to English. If you want to change your language, just tap on the language displayed. And then you'll see a list of various languages that you can choose from. So if you want to change this to Spanish, you can go ahead and choose Spanish. If you want Dutch, you can go ahead and choose Dutch. If you want French, you can go ahead and look for French and then select. For instance, if I want Spanish, the Spanish language is here. Just go ahead and tap on it. And that is it. And now if you go back, you'll see your language has changed. So that's how you change language on Telegram app. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.